Hi guys, so in this video we are going to talk how we can remove an Excel worksheet from an Excel workbook. So let's get going and we are going to do it using openpyxl module in Python. So let's get going to the Jupyter notebook. The first step is to import load workbook function from openpyxl module. So from openpyxl import load underscore workbook. The second step is import OS. The third step would be to load this existing workbook from which we want to remove these desired sheets. So I have this path and where I have this examples one sheet saved in the folder subfolder removing sheets examples. So WB is equal to load underscore workbook and then the complete path till the file name. So this is our third statement here where we are loading the existing workbook from which we want to delete the worksheets. Then fourth step would be to write a statement called wb.remove and then we'll access which sheet we want to remove. So wb.remove is a statement and then to access sheet, let's say we want to remove sheet 2. To access sheet 2 we need to write wb then square bracket then in quotes the name of the sheet, and of course the whole thing will be in the round bracket. So this is the statement we would use to remove that particular sheet from our existing workbook. Let's first see what different sheets we have in that workbook. So if I see this path which I was talking about, we have this file here. Then let's open this file. The file is here and I have these sheets here: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6, sheet 7 in different order. So this is the file we have and these are the sheets we have, and I am here I was trying to remove sheet 2 in my Python program. So let's run these statements first. So I ran this statement. Now to for these statements to get into effect, we need to save this file. But as I told earlier as well, that before saving your file you should always close your file first, otherwise the file won't be saved. So let's close the file first and then let's save it. And then I'm going to write the command wb.save. And then let's run this command. I ran this command and now once this file is being saved, this statement would have taken effect and the sheet 2 must have been removed. Let's check that. So if you see it here, you see sheet 2 is being removed from here, from this workbook. So that's how we can remove the sheet from our Excel workbook, existing Excel workbook through Python. In the next video, we'll talk about how we can remove multiple sheets from using Python program from an Excel workbook. So thank you for watching this video and please subscribe. Thank you.